All right, travel lovers, let's get real for a second. You've packed your bags, triple-checked your passport, and you're already dreaming of that in-flight snack. But before you even make it to your seat, there's one last boss battle: airport security. And believe it or not, thousands of travelers get tripped up by the same items every single day. Let's dive into the 5 most confiscated items at airport security. Some of these might just surprise you. Number 5, water bottles. Yep, the most innocent-looking culprit. I see it every time I fly. Someone chugging their water or sadly tossing it in the bin. Why? Because liquids over 100 milliliters are a universal no-go. You might think you'll just buy one after security, but trust me, people forget. All the time. Coming in at number 4, snow globes. I know, right? That cute souvenir from Grandma's trip to Alaska? It's basically a tiny glass grenade full of mystery liquid, as far as the TSA is concerned. Unless it's smaller than a tennis ball and the liquid inside is under 3.4 ounces, it's staying behind. Sorry, Grandma. Number 3, pocket knives and multi-tools. These things are like the Swiss Army's gift to travelers, and airport security's worst nightmare. Even if you totally forgot it was clipped to your backpack, it's getting confiscated. No exceptions. I've even seen keychains fall victim to this rule, so double-check those zippers before you fly. At number 2, oversized toiletries. Shampoo, sunscreen, lotion. If it's in your carry-on and over the size limit, it's headed for the trash. The sneaky part? Even half-used bottles count if they're over 100 milliliters. The fixed travel-sized containers, I swear by them. And the grand champion, the number 1 most confiscated item? Lighters. You'd think we'd all know this by now, but millions of lighters get left at security every year. Some airports let you bring one in your pocket, but most play it safe and take them away. Pro tip: check your pockets before you leave home. So why do these items keep getting snagged? Simple. Travel is stressful, and it's easy to overlook the basics. The good news? Now you know what to leave at home or stash in your checked bag. Save yourself the hassle, breeze through security, and get to the real adventure, your next destination. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share with your jet-setting friends, and let me know in the comments, what's the weirdest thing you've accidentally tried to take through security? Safe travels, and see you in the skies.